Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here today to do an SLG unboxing. It's a very small item, but it's kind of exciting because it kind of leads me to the holiday season kind of feel. So I'm talking about a Coach piece. If you are interested in that brand and what it looks like, then continue to watch. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. Like I said, this is a Coach unboxing. I've done Coach unboxings in the past, and I think my most recent one was the Empire tote, which was a fail for me. I explained some of the things that I did not like about it and things that I do like about it, but ultimately I decided that the sizing was just not right. And while I love the gloved hand leather, I thought, I should just get something that I would actually use. So I do collect a lot of handbags, as you can see in back of me, so I cannot keep everything. Otherwise, yeah, it just kind of explodes. But this one is a Coach piece. It's actually not a new piece, but it is something that they've been re-releasing recently. So let me just show you and then I can talk more about it. I actually ended up getting this from Nordstrom because I love shopping at Nordstrom. They have an amazing return policy. So I think with Coach's website, it's a 30-day full return. You can return it at the store or you can return it by mail as long as it's not final sale, and this is not. But Nordstrom has like unlimited returns. So it gives me the option to just take my time with it, try it with other pieces in my closet to make sure it fits. Yeah, so that's why I got it from Nordstrom. I will link this below. It's still available. And there's also a lot of other options similar to this. So let me just take it out of its shipping baggie. It does not come with a dust bag, which I don't know if it actually is supposed to because I didn't buy it from the Coach store. So what I'm going to do is actually bring it to a Coach store when I get a chance, and they may just give me a little drawstring dust bag. Here it is. This is the newest SLG from Coach that I purchased. And yes, it is tiny because, like I said, it's an SLG. Why I gravitated towards it was because I don't know if you can see the shimmer. Oh my goodness. It is sparkly and on both sides as well. I know that recently they launched the Kisslock 16 in this fabric. This is the crystal signature jacquard, and it's beautiful. By the way, I do want the Kisslock. It's been sold out, but the large size, which comes in this material, is available, but I think it's just too big for me. So I'm waiting for the 16 to come back, and I think I got it. So if you want to see me unbox that, hopefully I got it and it's coming soon. But I would love to know if you got the Kisslock 16 or the 14 and what you thought about it. Anyway, sorry, side tangent. Back to this. This is kind of why I started looking into this, because I like the crystal jacquard material, but I didn't want it in a big bag. And I thought this tiny SLG was perfect because it just gives a little bit of shine and very holiday-esque without being very big. And I could still see myself carrying this obviously throughout the year. So give you a really quick run through. As you can see, there are these top handles. There's also this tag here. It's almost as big as the bag, right? It's not a bag, but it kind of looks like one because it also comes with a chain. So not only does it have this handheld part, it also has a removable silver chain, which means I can wear it on the shoulder. So I'm 5'1", as you can see, I can touch it pretty easily with my hand, or I can wear it crossbody as well, and it sits nicely on my hips. If you're taller, it'll probably sit a little higher. The good thing about the strap, though, is that it is fully removable. So there are these lobster clasps right here. So if you don't like this chain, you can absolutely put on your own and remove this completely. So let me just show you real quick. It's very easy. There are two hooks right here. So right there. One of them is hooked. That's where these tabs are hooked to. And then the other one has this Coach kind of tag. So it's cool, very beautiful. There's also, as you can see, I've just unzipped this, but there's also a zipper pocket here. Now this is where you can put you know, your cards, your cash, your coins, anything, because there is a zipper pocket. I don't bring coins with me anymore. I don't know if anyone really does, but you could absolutely do that. I will more likely put in my lippy. So I have a little mini travel size Dior lip maximizer, which I love. And so that fits perfectly in there. And if you are interested, this is the full size one. This is the mini one. The full size one does fit sideways like that. So you can zip it up like that, but it does take up a lot of your space, but you can. If you do have like a mini travel one that can stand up straight up, and you can put other stuff in there, like your keys or your car fob, and that can zip up as well. So that's pretty cool. What I also love is that you can open it, and what that means is you have card slots right here. So I just have like a business card thingy, but you can see that it fits really nicely, and you could fit 1, 2, 3 on this side, and then 1, 2, 3 on this side, and then 1 and 2 on this side. So you have 5 card slots here, and then on this side, you have a compartment for bills, which is nice because, you know, I don't really carry cash, but receipts, you can also pop them in here, and yeah. And then when you're done, you can close it all up and then carry it, either throw it in your bag without the chain, or you can put the chain on and you can wear it on your shoulder, and then it's like a really quick and easy grab and go. If you wanted to use it as like a little like accessory for like a party, this is also amazing. Now this won't fit your phone, so if that's what you're thinking about, that's not going to happen. This is a wallet. This is not, you know, a pouch. It's a wallet. But I do love the versatility of the little pocket that, you know, you can put keys in, you can put a lippy in, you can put, I don't know about AirPods because that's kind of like bulky, but you know, it can work. And I love that you can zip it up, and if you want it to, you can also put a different chain strap on it, and yeah, you're good to go. So this one is under $200. I will link it below. As of this video, it was still available online, so I will link that. But like I said, I just love it because Coach's materials are amazing. This one is like, the craftsmanship looks great. The glove tan leather, which by the way, this is what this you know, brown part is so buttery soft. And so yeah, I'm really excited to get a Kisslock in this glove tan leather. Hopefully this time around that bag is suitable for my style. But yes, if you are interested, definitely follow, hit the button for the bell, and be notified when the next video goes live. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Would love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you like these kind of SLGs? Little special, something sparkly? Do you have the Kisslock? And love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.